very, very unassuming, bright, talented, beautiful girl, and she's the daughter of two wonderful parents. So I'm sure whatever she does in her life, she will find success, and I'm looking forward to her performance this evening. I wish her all the best from the bottom of my heart. She's a beautiful girl, and I have a lot of love for her family. And I'm here to support her.
How frequently you do parties in your life, like live in the life, like parties and all? How do you enjoy your life, like parties?
I party very hard when it's time to party. When it's time to work, I work very hard. When it's time to sleep, I sleep very well. When it's time to wake up, I wake up with a sing in my body. So whatever I do it to the extreme, and that's what's kept me going.
As a citizen of the country, what do you have to say about the demonetization? You know, what do you have to say about demonetization scheme that the president Prime Minister has?
Nothing right now.
Hrithik Roshan को ज़्यादा कमा नहीं मिल पाई है because of the demonetization. What do you want to say about it?
ये उनका ग्लोबल डेब्यू है, तो मैं उनको ऑल द बेस्ट विश करना चाह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि एक बहुत बढ़िया एक स्टेप है, एक कदम है उनकी ज़िंदगी में। 22 साल के हैं और बहुत पैशनेट है सिंगिंग के ऊपर, तो देखेंगे कि आज जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो देखने के लायक मैंने सुना, और परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत सारे हैं। सो आई वांट टू विश ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। जो भी शुरू करते हैं उनको बहुत मतलब कंग्रेचुलेशंस और लक देना चाह रहा है। व्हाट प्रॉब्लम आई एम फेसिंग? ये नोट चाहिए, नोट। अभी नोट नहीं है, सिर्फ कार्ड इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ। अभी वैसे नोट बहुत कम है इंडस्ट्री में, मतलब इस देश में, तो हम लोग कार्ड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, क्रेडिट कार्ड। अभी तो फ़िलहाल ये नोट कम होने की वजह से मुझे लगता है कि फिल्म जो अभी रिलीज़ हुई है उनको बहुत मतलब नुकसान होगा। एंड बिकॉज सुना मैंने स्टैटिस्टिक्स में कि 70% लोग जो फिल्म्स देखते हैं वो कैश देते हैं, और बाकी बाय कार्ड या ऑनलाइन खरीदते हैं।
काफ़ी लोग पैनिक हो रहे हैं, बेसिकली लेमन जो है बहुत पैनिक हो रहा है।
जी
उनके पास नहीं है।
जी बिल्कुल जी।
अपील करना चाहोगे आप अपने फैंस को?
देखिए, एक एक डिसीजन लिया हुआ है, सरकार ने लिया एक डिसीजन जो फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। जैसे प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कि अभी तो फ़िलहाल एक इनकन्वीनियंस होगा, मगर जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ, जैसे हमारे लिए जो काम करते हैं उनके लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम समय है, तो जितना मैं उनके लिए मदद कर सकता हूँ मैं मदद कर रहा हूँ अपने लोगों के लिए। अपील किसको करूँ? हाँ जी, नहीं पैनिक तो करेंगे ही, क्योंकि कुछ लोग जिनकी ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं है, उनको मालूम नहीं कि क्या एग्जैक्टली हो रहा है। और अगर सरकार ने ली डिसीजन तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा, मतलब इट्स फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड डिसीजन यार। हु विल से इट्स अ बैड डिसीजन? इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड डिसीजन, बिकॉज अगर आप पैरेलल इकोनॉमी की बात करें, देन वी वांट टू गेट रिड ऑफ इट, सो दिस इज़ अ गुड डिसीजन, बट मे बी डिफरेंट वेज टू डू इट। बहुत बोल दिया मैंने।
I think it's great that women in this country, especially in the younger generation, are living their passion and their dreams. And in this case, you have an entrepreneur, come philanthropist who is a musician. And I think these combinations are great. मुझे लगता है कि भारत में हर एक महिला अपने ड्रीम को लिव कर रही है। यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है, जो एक फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट है और एक म्यूजिशियन। तो कौन कहता है कि आप एक ही चीज़ करना चाहिए? आप बहुत सारे चीज़ कर सकते हैं और मैं मानती हूँ कि इसका स्वागत करना चाहिए, क्योंकि 21वीं सदी में हर एक महिला का एक ड्रीम होता है, एक एस्पिरेशन होता है।
साइना जी, आप जनता
हिस्टोरिक मोमेंट है
ANI से मैं अलग बात करूँ। It's important to understand that the Prime Minister has taken a decision which is in the interest of all. We do away with terrorism, we do away with fake currency and the drug mafia. As Indians, we may be inconvenienced, but look at the long-term solution, which is all-inclusive for every Indian, big, small or medium.
I'm going to see it and get back to you and let you know how good it was. Thank you.
My reaction right now, I'm totally overwhelmed, very emotional. I'm totally overwhelmed, very emotional, super excited, and very nervous. So I think it's a whole mixed bag of emotions that I'm feeling here. But I know that she's going to really rock it. She's worked very hard, she's very passionate about it, very determined, and I just know she's going to just kill it. It's going to be awesome. I'm sorry?
Everybody's supporting her. How does that feel?
It's very humbling. It's very, very nice to have so many people with us. We feel blessed that everyone's here to bless her, to support her, and to encourage her. It really means a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Well, I think that everybody has a right to chase their dreams, and no matter who you are or where you come from, your dreams should never be limited by that. They should only be limited by the ability of your imagination, your courage, your bravery. And I think that I've already seen Ananya's work in other sectors, and what I'm really been struck by is how much of a perfectionist she is, how incredibly grounded and hardworking she is, and how imaginative and creative she is and the team she puts together. So I have no doubt today what I'm going to see will be very well made, very well done, and beautifully executed. Yeah, I've just finished a film which I'm releasing next year. It's called Purna, the story of the youngest girl in history to climb Mount Everest.
So are your views on demonetization of currency?
I'm sure the music video will be very lovely, beautifully made, well executed, and amazingly imaginative.
बहुत खुशखबरी की बात है। एक बिजनेस फैमिली में उनका जन्म हुआ है। एक बहुत ही संस्कारी परिवार है। नीरजा जी को मैं बहुत वक्त से जानता हूँ। उनका सोशल इश्यूज़ हो या कला हो, दोनों में उनका जो है बहुत उनकी रुचि है और उसको सपोर्ट करती है। और उनकी बेटी जो है वो बहुत प्रतिभाशाली है। मुझे विश्वास है कि आगे उत्तरोत्तर प्रगति करेंगी और नाम कमाएंगी अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए। और नाम ना भी कमाए, कम से कम संगीत से कोई भी जुड़े, मुझे तो हमेशा ही खुशी होती है कि संगीत को चलो एक और सितारा मिला। देखिए, जो सरकार का जो और देश में काले धन के विरुद्ध जो भी सरकार लड़ेगी, देखिए काले धन के खिलाफ सरकार जो भी कुछ कर रही है, मुझे लगता है जब ये निर्णय लिया गया था तो द हार्ड अर्न्ड मनी ऑफ पीपल स्माइल्ड, द पीपल हु हैड रियली वर्क हार्ड फॉर देयर मनी, उन सबको के चेहरे पे खुशी थी और वो खुशी बरकरार रहनी चाहिए। ये होगा कि कुछ दिनों की तकलीफ होगी, लेकिन मैं ये मानता हूँ कि अगर ऐसे कदम नहीं उठाए जाएंगे तो शायद बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा कोई भी परिवर्तन देश में लाना। तो हमको सरकार के निर्णयों का स्वागत करना चाहिए और कुछ दिनों की अगर तकलीफ है उसे भोग लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सब हमारे देश के प्रगति के लिए हो रहा है, हमारे देश को साफ करने के लिए हो रहा है और उसी नियत से मैं इस निर्णय को देखता हूँ। मैं तो स्वयं को ये इस बात के लिए मैं अपने को भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ कि उन लोगों में से हूँ जो जिन्हें इन चीज़ों की चिंता नहीं करनी पड़ती। जब आप एक साफ़ सुथरा जीवन जीते हैं तो आपको ऐसे निर्णयों से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, आपको उसका स्वागत करना चाहिए।
सर, बॉलीवुड प्रोड्यूसर्स को इसमें कितना फ़ायदा होगा, कितना नुकसान होगा अगर ज़्यादा?
देखिए, प्रोड्यूसर्स में मुझे लगता है फ़ायदा नुकसान क्या है। अंततः जिसके पास साफ पैसा है उसे फ़ायदा होगा, जिसके पास साफ पैसा नहीं है उसे नुकसान होगा। तो साफ पैसे का फ़ायदा होना चाहिए, जिसने एक ईमानदारी की ज़िंदगी जी है उसका कोई तो उसको फल मिलना चाहिए। Yeah, I'm writing a few films and a television series also. I will let you know very soon. Thank you. Thank you.
आप देख रही हैं कितना एंजॉय कर रही है इस बार का बिग बॉस आप?
बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर रही हूँ, लेकिन अभी मैं यहाँ अनन्या के लिए।
तो आज के इवेंट के बारे में बताएं, क्या करने वाली है, खास कितने एक्साइटेड है यहाँ पे आप?
Today is all about living the life, living your dreams, and love and fun.
थैंक यू।
Besides your hard work, there was the hard work of a lot of people that went in to put this together. Should we get them all on stage?
Please do, please
All right,
do.
should we just
My
step
pleasure.
back to make some space for them?
Absolutely.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome moonwalking. Please welcome the music producer of the track, Mr. Jim Beans. He is the main songwriter and music producer for one of my favorite shows, Empire, and has worked extensively with Timbaland. Jim Beans.
An honor to work with her on a video. The video is going to be premiering at midnight tonight. Be ready for that. On VH1, on Vivo, worldwide release, first time ever.
And listen, the video's out at midnight, but that doesn't mean you have to leave at midnight because it's going to be on, because Afro's going to be playing later as well. So stay here for midnight and beyond. And the video is going to be on VH1, of course, and you won't be able to miss it, and we're looking forward to seeing it. Talking about the video, Anjay, can I just scoot over to you here? Oh, first up, how relieved are you? Big sigh of relief. That went off well.
Yeah, finally. After so much work we put into this, I mean, I have to say props to Ananya. And also, again, thank you, Ananya, for trusting my vision. Obviously, you know, I started with her as a dance choreographer, and, you know, we needed some time to actually find the right style, what fits to her. But obviously, there's a lot more going on, as you guys could see today, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully we meshed it together in a proper way. I think we did, so applause to Anya and the whole team. Shout out to everybody that were involved in this. Creative process was amazing. Thank you all.
Great stuff. Should we hear from Jim Beans, the music producer of the... Oh, there you are. It's a long lineup here, man. Tell us about the process of making this track.
Wow, well, you know, it was 2 different trips to America that Nanya had taken. And what's crazy is that the second time she came through to change the lyrics, and this is very important, it's very important, I need everybody to hear this. Ananya Burla has all the makings of a star, and I'll tell you why. She's using this platform. As you can see, all of the peace signs and the music and the love. Any artist that puts that into her music is something to be celebrated. And my heart and congratulations go out to this beautiful young lady right here. Give her a round of applause, please.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Devraj, the video's out at 12 midnight today, isn't it? Tell us about your journey with Ananya on this song.
So I represent the world's largest label. A lot of you know Universal Music. We have legit Universal Music artists, actually the 2 Universal Music artists on stage tonight. It's a privilege and an honor that this is the first time that we have an Indian artist, an artist of Indian origin, that is actually breaking through the mainstream into the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a small thing. I really want all of you to put your hands together for this little girl. She is probably the most hardworking, most focused, most maximum vision in a little 22-year-old girl. You know, she may be running businesses and whatever, but when it comes to music, you need one thing and one thing only, and that is passion. And that this girl has in absolute abundance. For us at Universal Music, it's a really proud moment because personally, you know, running the ship, I've been waiting for a long time for this day to come when an artist from here would actually start to break over to the world. That day is tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please make it a point to share the love, watch the video, listen to the song, spread it. I mean, we need all the help that we can get so that, you know, we're Indians at the end of the day. We're loud people. We're a loud bunch, right? When we scream and when we shout, we got to let the whole world hear that Ananya Burla is here tonight. I'm really, really proud. I really want to say to you, my darling, well done. We couldn't be prouder. Thank you.
Yes, indeed. Of course. Are we proud? Let's hear the applause. Let's hear the applause to show the pride and the love. Louis, if Devraj, if we could just pass the mic over, tell us about the journey or your impressions of Ananya.
Well, this is great because this is my first time here in India, and it's a testament to everything Ananya's doing. So I've had the opportunity and the privilege to work with some of the world's biggest artists. And now I'm getting to work with Ananya. So it kind of says it all. It's fantastic to be here. And we're looking forward to push the button for midnight tonight with the help of Devraj, Universal Music, and Metropolis. We're looking forward to taking Ananya onto the international stage.
Thank you so much, Louis. Rupert, your impressions of the show and of Ananya?
Wow, what a show. What a show. How do I follow all of this? I was going to do a little dance, but I won't. I think, thank you, yeah, maybe. Look, I know. It's a real privilege to be here. To be part of this is absolutely incredible. To be part of this creative team is a huge, huge privilege for us. At Metropolis, we're used to working with world frontline artists like Adele, Amy Winehouse, Queen. We feel Ananya has a place here with us. We know we can push her to the heights that she wants to go to. We've never met an artist as driven as her, and I think that's going to make all the difference here. She is an amazing, amazing talent, and we just don't know where to go with this. The stars are our limit. So, thank you very much.
Official remix partner as well. So thank you for that, Afro. Is he listening? Thank you for the official remix.
Afro saying we're just getting started, and yes, we are just getting started. Well, listen, I want to ask you something, and I've said this to you before as well. You are now a musician. You are an entrepreneur. You are a mental health campaigner. You're a design startup founder. How do you find time to do all these things as well as make all of us older people look like horrible underachievers?
No,
do you
that's not
feel
true.
bad making us feel bad?
No, no, no.
Do you really? Doesn't she make us all look bad? She does. But honestly, how do you do all of this?
I think if you truly love what you do, there's always more time. Like I always have, my Sundays are always free, most of the times. If you love things that you do, you'll always make time for it, and that's the truth. Always time.
Talking about love and talking about nervousness, your father, who's up there,
Yeah.
I tell you, he was extremely nervous when you were coming down all of that.
Very sweetly. My mom as well. They were, I think, most nervous about the lifts, because hold on tight.
Well, you can tell them that you've made it through safe,
Yeah,
and that you want to thank them for all the love and support.
Yes, I wanted to thank. So firstly, I want to thank all of the entire team. Nothing is possible without them. It's always the force, not the face. And I say this all the time. So thank you so much. It was a privilege working with you as an upcoming artist. My parents, Mom and Pa, where are you all?
Where are they? Can we
I
see
don't
them?
know.
Are they up there?
Yeah, I just
Are they up there?
truly want to say a big, 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 big thank you for letting me follow my passions, my dreams, for letting me break stereotypes, and truly just letting me be who I am as a person. And none of this would have been possible without you all. So thank you so much. I love you all very, very much, and you all are my world. Thank you.
Give them a round of applause, please. A piece of their heart has given a piece of her heart today to the entire world.
I have a couple of more people that I want to thank quickly.
Go ahead.
So my entire team, Serena, you put everything together, man. We did it. Aisha, Akshita, Amita, Kanupriya, Abhishek, Sahan, everyone. The list goes on. Percept, Khushi, thank you so much. The entire team. Shubham, Kausar, Moen, all of y'all. Dino, thank you so, so much for all your support. Would not have been possible without you. And all of y'all here for coming, and hopefully you'll enjoy the event and the after party as well.
So the video's out at 12.
It is.
Are you slightly nervous about it?
I'm very nervous. Yeah,
Yeah?
super nervous.
But are you gonna let us in on a little more about it, or is it just gonna keep it as a surprise?
It's exclusive to VH1, so it would be unfair to do that. So I'm not allowed to do that, but you'll see it tomorrow. if
No
you're not up to
sneak
there.
peeks, but you can see it tomorrow. Well, Ananya, before we go, real quick, there is another cause that is close to your heart. Of course, Swatantra we know about. There's another cause. You're also going to be performing at the Global Citizen India concert. Is that correct?
Yeah,
On
that
the
is right.
19th?
So I'll be performing at the Kolpik
Yeah.
Global Citizen concert. So yeah, please be there for that. It'd be awesome. I'm really looking forward to that. I will.
Don't say that. There's some people here who still haven't got tickets.
Okay.
They're going to just keep asking you for tickets. But of course, it's a very unique platform to bring together a lot of stakeholders to end extreme poverty. It's an attack on extreme poverty as well as quality education, gender equality, water sanitation, and hygiene. So it's a very important causes. So it's not just about the entertainment on that day, but there's a lot of thought and a lot of empathy behind the cause.
Absolutely. I think it's a great cause and it's going to be a great show.
Excellent. Well,
and
a great
one last
show.
Thing, so I keep forgetting. Thank you so much to Danny Marmick for the last visual. The music is my magic one.
Yeah.
We shot that and it was amazing. So thank you so much to Danny. I don't know where he is right now, but that's a video that's very close to my heart.
Well, you put a
And
great
it,
show up today.
so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Living the Life is out tonight at midnight on VH1. And here she is. Let's hear it once again for Ananya Birla.